Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake LCD panel kit Snow Edition. So as you know, Thermaltake have just released their Thermaltake Tower 500 chassis Snow Edition, and a lot of people have been asking, hey, I like that LCD panel, where can I get it from? Well, Thermaltake have just released the LCD panel kit, which allows you to mount this onto your chassis, making it look really good. It comes with a 3.9-inch LCD screen, which you can use to display a variety of different things, including temperatures and fan speeds and things like that. The software you can actually download from Thermaltake's website as well. We're going to be mounting this on the Thermaltake Tower 500 chassis, which we recently reviewed, and see how it looks and see what you think. But before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake LCD panel kit Snow for the Tower 500 chassis. It comes with a 3.9 LCD monitor and supports the TT RGB Plus software. Alright, let's take a look inside the box, see what we have. Alright, got some instructions here. Thermaltake parts list, yep, okay. And let's see what else. Okay, oh right, USB cable, that's pretty much standard. And then we have the panel itself, the LCD panel. Alright. Alright, there's not much to it. Alright, here we have the LCD panel kit. You can see it's for the Snow Edition of the Tower 500 chassis. Then you have the LCD itself, a 3.9-inch LCD, color LCD. It's got the Thermaltake branding at the bottom here. And underneath, there's the actual LCD unit itself. USB connection right here. And we've got this mesh grilling there for dust guard, things like that. That is pretty much it. We'll be mounting this onto the Tower 500 Snow Edition and see how it looks. The LCD display can be controlled using the TT software, which you can download off their website. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing of the LCD panel kit for the Snow Edition. We'll see how it looks. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Thermaltake LCD panel kit Snow Edition for the Thermaltake Tower 500. It's a nice little accessory which you can add to your Tower 500, making your system look really good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.